What goals does for us, goals raise our standards, stretch our awareness. So what we do is we set a goal, and then what we do, we say, I'm going to go achieve this goal when they fire my manager. I'm going to go get that goal when I got a better position. I'm going to go that goal when one of my team members leave. I'm going to go achieve that goal when they change something. I'm going to go at that goal. Every time I say something, and I say when or if, I'm canceling it. I'm going forward and I'm going backward. Do it, don't do it. Do it, don't do it. Okay? Most of the people who achieve their goals, especially Steve Jobs or Bill Gates, so that we know about Microsoft, Apple, they didn't know how to achieve their goal. They didn't know. They just said, I want to go and I'm going to achieve it. The moment you make that choice and made that decision, only you can know that, you directly flip that brain, that switching station you have, into a higher level of thinking, and everything you want at that level, all the thoughts you need, all the ideas you need, by intuition if you want, you will receive it. Everything you want in the future, think about it now, you will get everything about it in the future. And if you don't believe me, look at your life right now. Everything you have right now is what? Is the level of your thinking. Sometimes you set a goal, a year from now you say it's so hard. When you achieve it, how could I say it's hard? It's so simple, right? That's called awareness, guys. You're raising your awareness. Einstein said, if you match the level of your thinking to the level of the goal, or the frequency of your thinking to the frequency of your goal, you cannot help but achieve it. That's not a philosophy, that's physics. It's physics. Everything in the world is frequencies. That's why intuitive leaders have an advantage on other leaders. They are on a higher frequency. They receive things first and faster. Okay? They see things faster and further. Okay, guys? I want you to always remember that. That's why we have to make a decision. Set the goal and make a choice.